In 1982, artist Durdy Bayramov created a series known today as Children of Afghanistan. Being an orphan, Bayramov was drawn to sketching children. Sketching was a good option to capture young sitters simply because it was a relatively fast process. Children were fidgety, always wanting to jump out of their seats to play. When Bayramov started this series, a war was raging between Afghanistan and the Soviet Union. To protect their children, the Afghani people sent them to live in summer camps in the Firuza township of Turkmenistan. One particular camp that housed these children was known as Druzhba, or friendship. The artist was given special permission to visit the camp with his students to draw portraits. Feeling great compassion towards the Afghani children, he would often bring little presents or candies to make them feel more at home. In order to capture many portraits in a day, Bayramov and his students were only able to create simple sketches, or etudes, of the children. Bayramov was careful to capture each sitter's expression, as well as clothing. Some of the children had ties that were related to their school achievements. If a child neglected their studies, the tie could be taken away as punishment. The boys and the older teachers wore tidy white shirts with starched collars. Many of the girls in his drawings wore headscarves, which was different from the young girls in Turkmenistan. In fact, don't his female sitters appear as if they've never been sketched by an artist? Bayramov was careful to record notes about each child, but even more interesting still is that he had his sitter write their name in their own language as well. When he allowed the child to write on the paper, they were able to breathe their personality into the work. One of the only sketches using paint features a young girl in a headscarf named Masuma. She is shrouded in red fabric and a detailed embroidered shirt. While she appears to be relaxed in Bayramov's presence, there is a hint of shyness in the girl's eyes. She doesn't quite look into the viewer's eyes, but rather past us. This is a face that has seen war. While mostly comprised of simple sketches, Bayramov's series Children of Afghanistan shows the artist's love and support for all humans, even in the face of turmoil.